Yeah, hi all. I just want to make a recap about the ChessSuite project. It started out some years ago, and without no knowledge about programming, a chess database and a chess engine, and yeah, some couple of years, 5-6 years ago, and yeah, that's a temporary result of doing all this work and learning so lot of yeah, all this PGN file crap and all this engine stuff, bitboards and yeah, and that's why I started also this channel, how to program chess engine, and a lot of this is temporarily in German, but I'm settling over to English now, and yeah, and that's the current standing for this project. We are only two guys that is currently working on this during this the last years, and what I found is the ChessSuite project should be yeah, as a launch as a community project, and it should be, from my point of view, it should be for free. And I want to move this one here and show you a little bit about this yeah, nice work here. And yeah, so what I have done here, I have created some objects containers, and all these chess games are stored in SQLITE database, and by far it's it could be much more, yeah, probably on another database, but SQLITE was for free, and so we started out to work on different databases like MySQL, and so at least we decided to put all the games into an SQLITE database, and yeah, that's SQLITE is really fast. Okay, then let's dive in about some features here in the ChessSuite database. And what I have imported, I imported all the TCNC engine games. I have some old computer games as well inside, yeah, in this container, and have the Magnus Carlsen games, imported them here for you, just to show you a little bit, and about the Nepo games. And I have the main database, my reference database, and there is currently, yeah, almost, yeah, 2.5 million games inside, and this million base is in I extracted the million base, and also put the weekend chess from Mark Crowder. I've done a lot of work on getting all these games here during the almost last 20-25 years, and you have a huge archive, and I will put you all the links where I get all the games from, and yeah. So let's dive into Magnus Carlsen. What I want to show you is Magnus Carlsen. What I've done here, I put some statistics here. You can just right click here on the statistics, and you see immediately what kind of openings Magnus Carlsen is doing, and you can do this from the perspective of white wins and lose, and also from the draw. So, but overall, Magnus Carlsen is really balanced in his chess. And if you go to Nepo and let's see what is the statistics here, and you can see he's not so well balanced in all the openings, all overall play, and also the games. I don't know. I just downloaded the games, but I'm by far I'm not a super strong chess player. But we have only played, or I only have almost 1,500 games here, and Magnus Carlsen, he has almost 2,000 games. So, but he's really well balanced throughout all the openings, from as we can see here. But I have no clue if he really is, and he's the best chess player from my point of view, and the strongest. And yeah, let's dive in here to the statistics. What you can do here, you can just click or go over here, and you will get some statistics, yeah, in real time. And you can also click on this one here, and you see all the it goes deeper into the echo codes, and you can dive more into this one, and you can dive deeper into this one, and you get the result here from all the games. And yeah, then as you can see, you get all the games here in this opening variation. It's Ponzani, and this is a Russian game, and so the 4 knights variation and the Philidor. So yeah, from I think this is a really nice tool. I got this idea from Chain's information database, and so I worked on this and put more effort into this kind of stuff. And also I got some lot of ideas from really strong super grandmasters during this work, and yeah, some hints what I can work on, and this is the result. So you can just with the right mouse click, you go back, and so I think this is a really nice feature. Also, if you want to find out some kind of some openings, what you want to work on, and you get really on one player, you get really good yeah, for your opening preparation. So this is just on one player, but we can go here on 2.5 million chess games here, and we can make a right click on the database and go on statistics here, and go to the echo, and you see the overall of 2.5 million games here. And yeah, this differs a little bit from the games here, because it only take games with more than some kind of moves, and so we can resolve the echo variations. But in some games there are no moves inside, and as we can see here, you go to moves, and you can see a lot of games here, and there's no possibility to resolve an echo code by all this crap here. So also simply this one can be deleted, because it doesn't make sense to have all this crap here in your database. But just to show you, here we have this, I go back to this echo. So yeah, you can dive in here as well, and immediately you get all the games here, and click on the games. yeah, and you get all the games here. So I think this was a cute idea to work on this one. We always have this variations here. So what I want to show you here, the TCC. I will put you all the links in the video description. But if you go here and go on statistics and go on echo, you see how well balanced this work is from the guys from TCC. And yeah, they make a really good work, and you should really support this work from my point of view. And yeah, so you have all these strong engines competitions here, and all the games from Data Zero and Stockfish, and by far the most strongest chess engines is currently Data Zero, and by far Stockfish is really a cool open source project. And yeah, you can go out and buy some engines, and also you can get them for free. And so from my point of view, I think this project Lila Zero is really a really nice project, and they have shown that some years ago they started out with only one guy, and so this has become a really huge project. So yeah, let's dive into more features here. So you can go on to view here and go on to details. And as we can see here, we have all these containers. And what does it mean? From my point of view, if you're a chess trainer, you make your own databases here, or your containers. And what is really interesting, you can also put PDF files and Excel files and Word files into this container view here. Not only databases, but you can also put a lot of stuff here inside. And what more, you can go into this properties here, and then you can make your own descriptions here. And yeah, what I want to show you can just type in some text here, blah 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 blah. And what is really nice, if I open the snipping tool from Microsoft on Windows, we have the snipping tool here, and what you can do is you can just yeah, copy and paste this one here, or if you have any other drawings, you can just yeah, go ahead here and put some drawings inside behind this containers. And as well, you can put some PDF files and stuff like this. So yeah, and what more is inside here? You can have some overall statistics here in the you go to statistics here, and the echo, or the result. Then you get some overall statistics. And what more do we have? What is really nice is if you go on to this engine folder here from TCC, what I have done is I put these fields. You can put them here, and immediately it will be grouped by echo codes. And what is really nice, you can have this variation here and put them in the front, and you have the variation. And if you want to see from the opening perspective, you have this one here, and you get all the variations, but you can put this one, the echo codes, and you see another perspective of all the openings. So I think this is really fast and nice to have. And as well, you can filter on this one. You can say you only want to say the Danish gambit, and yeah, it will only show the Danish gambit here. And you can have all this stuff here. Delete the filter here, down at the button, and you get all this opening back. So what more? You can go here and yeah, that's I think that's a really nice feature to have this one if you are interested in make some statistics or work on your openings stuff. So I think this is really nice to have this one. As you can see, we have all these chess engine games here. I will just double click on this one, and yeah. So here's the chessboard, and so you can just scroll with your mouse wheel, or you can do it with your keyboard, or you can do it with this forward button here down here, and yeah, I think this is also a really nice feature. What I have to work on is to make this chessboard a little bit more better, and also delete all this text stuff here with one click. So I have to work on this as well. But there's still a lot of stuff to do. What we can do is I have some engines here, and you can load the engine. Stop the engine. I can see load engine, and so you can have some standard engines, and you can have as much as you want. You can have 20,000 engines if you have different engines, and you can put them or load them into the ChessSuite program. And in a couple of minutes, I will show you how to do this. But so let's load Stockfish here, and we say to start analyze. So we have Stockfish here, and so we can drag this one. Oh, take this over here. I can take this one out and put it down here, and so you have the notation here and the chess engine, and so it will show you all this analysis when you walk through the game, and the score and the notes and notes per second. So I think this is also really nice. But what I have worked on, I'll stop the engine here, that if you are more deeper into chess engine stuff, so I got some good ideas from Erdogan Güneş. He is the world champion in computer chess, and he's really good in opening book preparation and stuff like this. So what I've done here, I got all these good ideas from those guys, and I have this UCI engines here, and as you can see, when you register a new engine here, you can just go here and register a new engine. But what you have here, you have all the parameters, and so you can just change the parameters if you are familiar with all this stuff here. And also on Stockfish here, you have all these parameters, and so you can change all this stuff if you like. So I think also from the perspective with engine chess and preparations and do some yeah, those guys who's really deep into computer chess, they all know this stuff really very well. So yeah, let's close this one. So let's go into this game center again. What I want to do is I want to delete the Magnus Carlsen games. I just want to empty the database. I have some tools here, and you can see say empty database, and yeah, immediately it is deleted. So this is lightning fast. And the chess games are really deleted. You cannot get them back. So yeah. So what I want to show you is I have all this downloaded all this stuff here, but I want to give you an idea to drag and drop PGN and import them here. What I want to show you is you have some import filters, and if you go on to, for example, Lichess, and you can go and download huge files with PGN. You can already say by doing this import, you can also filter away with ELO ratings and or the Glicker ratings, but by far it's the ELO, and you can just say you want a filter by 2500 or 2900, so you only get the top games and don't get all from this low player stuff. And I'm a low player as well, so don't worry about this. But for preparation and good games, you can also say what the minimum moves, and if you want to import the comments and the next, and you can say that you don't want to import all this comment stuff from all these files, because this makes the chess games really big, and also the database. So the size of the database. So you can all by importing you can filter all this stuff away, and you can also type in if you, for example, just want to import the Magnus Carlsen game, you can say Dr. Nichterstein and or from Andrew Tang. You can just put in the names here, and it will be imported. If you say go and ignore, it just import the games, and all the games are imported here. But now you can see in some PGN files we don't have all these openings and the variations. So what I have done is I want to really quick show you here. You can go here and say match the echo codes, and it will walk to a reference file or referenced in the database, and it will match up the echo codes. So the data is saved here, and now you have all these nice echo codes and the openings and the variations here. And you can put this here, and we can go on to go on this filter here, and you can just type in here English opening if you're interested in this one, and just select this one and open here. But this is a huge overview of this English opening. So if you want more detailed information about the variations, as you can see here, you have different variations from the Dutch and the Greenfeld and the Anglo-Indian, and as you can see, you have a good overview of all the variations in the English opening. So this is a really nice feature, I think. Really get a good overview of all the stuff, and you can just drag this one over here, and it will change the view of, it first shows you all the variations and later on it shows you the opening. And you can also say you only want to see games here. And put this on from the white perspective. Now you have the yellow white, and now you can go here and have filter and only see, and you see this is really a real-time filter, and you can really this on a higher elo here, and you only get games with different elo ratings. Yeah, that's something I want to show you. And yeah, you have this filter here, and all the filters will be stored here during your work, so you can go back to different filters. And I think also this is really nice. So what more do we have here? From I have this streaming on here, and so this is a really not the fastest notebook I have. It's a couple of years old, and the better hardware you have, the faster ChessSuite is, as usual. But really, ChessSuite relies on better performance, and it will take all the performance. So I put this one back here. And also the variations back, and the openings back. So also what I want to show you here is if you want to sort in this one, you can see also how fast this database is in this big database. I didn't make all this openings. I still have to do this. So what more do we have here? Is I want to show you a little bit. I have some do I have? Yes, I have something I want to show you with some stuff I am currently also working on. This downloaded this file, and I want to import this one. And I downloaded this from Lars Balzer website, and you have a huge website where you have put all the links together, and I want to put this as well in the video description. But what I'm currently still having problems with is we open this chess game here. Is this all this crap here with old PGN files, and sometimes there are a lot of errors inside, so I'm still have to work on this. If you go to this game here, you can see this variations here, and I still have to work a little bit on this. So this is not finished yet, but I'm still working on this. I will delete the games here. Tools, empty database. So yes, if we go into this 1000 games, and I take one game out here and drag it into the test database. So what you can do, you can drag and drop your games from one container to another container. And I go here and just open the game again. Open this, and what you can do here is you can have put your move rating here and and document all the games, and you can yeah, you can simply walk to a game and document the game out, and let's say you want to make a text after the move. You can just put some text inside here, blah 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 blah, and probably I should do this one a little bit more bigger and nicer, but still some work to do. So you have this blah 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 inside, and also you can have also this opening synchronization during you go to this game here. It will change if you will find some alternatives here. It will show you this one and change the view of the opening variation. So this is also real-time synchronization. But you can show this, hide this one, and you can also hide the other one here, the navigation bar. So what more do we have? We have some view here, and you can turn the board, and you also have some kind of shortcuts. So also you can just let the system walk to the game here if you like, and you can do it with sounds and just stop it if you want, and pause this. So yes, this is just escape, and it will pause or stop going through these games. So you can edit the game data. Oh, there's an error here. What else could happen to show something and get some error? But as you can see, I'm still working on this, and still a lot of work to do. I have these references here, and so I'm still have to work on this reference because I have all this crap from this PGN files. I still have some errors to make smart references, so I have to work on this as well. But this was a short overview of this this database here, and currently I have translated this, or we have translated into 2 languages here. We have the German one, the German version, and the English version. And what else? We almost finished Spanish, and Russian is almost finished. So this will also come during the next months. So you have this in different kind of language. I think English, Spanish and Russian is by far by any means, and German is so from my point of view, yeah, this is by far really some good features. And also you don't have to restart. You can just switch the languages, and it will do it for you immediately. It's not necessary to restart this database. What else do we have? We have this one. It is based on, the framework is based on DEVEXPRESS. So you have this nice pumpkin here. You get some other overview here, and or the framework will change for you. So you have other styles here. If you like more the mech skin, you get the mech skin here, and some different styles. If you like it more darker, we know Fritzy from Lead Chess is a really strong a bullet player, and he likes the dark mode. So put this dark mode to this one. So yeah, from my point of view, this was it all. There is some lot of more features inside, and still I work on different kind of features. You can go into this database here, and you can secure your database, and you can back up your database and give it up to another somebody's using this similar database. You can just back up and give it away or send it by email. And you can delete doubled. I have to switch the language here to English again. You can search for double games, and there's a lot of features. But there is no double games. But if you will find some double games, it will show you the double games, and you can just delete double games. And there's a lot of doing this search of double games. You can here's the moves, how deep the system should go, and it's a similar, ignore, and by echo, by result, by date, by elo, and then you can search for duplicates. So yeah, this is the current standing of this programming and of this project. I can go on files here, and I can say email this game, and I can block it. I can put this, export this by web, and I can print this one, and yeah, then you will have a printed version if you like. And if you want this with all the diagrams, oops, there's an error still. So, but normally it should put the diagram inside, but there's still some work to do. So, but yeah, this is currently standing of this project, and yeah, what I want to work on during the next couple of months, and what we want to work on is this crap with the PGN files and all these variations and reference. And if you have done this, I think it's good to launch the project as a community, so it will be for free for you, and everyone can use it if they like. And so I think this is a really nice work, but this is only a short overview of all the features. So thank you very much, and for your time, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you very much. Bye.